Welcome to our English alphabet adventure! Today, we'll learn all the letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jacket. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. Great job, everyone! You've learned all the letters from A to Z. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons.